Hello traders, this is Sean from QualityStocks.net with a technical analysis video for ticker PURE. That's Pure Bioscience. Trades on the NASDAQ Common Market. Close of trading on Thursday showed a gain of almost 25% on very high volume. So let's take a moment and look at the candlesticks. About a month and a half ago, the stock went from in the $3.40 range, fell very sharply down over a course of about 2 weeks down to $1. Then it consolidated around $1. In the last 3 trading sessions, especially today, we had a nice bullish run, a lot of buying. This is well above its average trading volume, so something's up. I'm not sure what it is, but it's very interesting. So let's take a moment and look at the indicators. We have an ADX PPO pincher here. Very nice. It pinched and opened up. So we see that where it opened up, and now we have the traders just ran back in there, it looks like. A little further down, we take a look at our slow stochastics, CCI and Williams. All of these made a very similar move. Slow stochastics had been oversold for a while, crossed its 20, charged hard through its 50 line, and now is in the power zone up here in the upper areas. It's not quite overbought yet. When we see it cross over here, the 80 line, and make its turn across over the red line, then we'll be thinking about maybe locking in some profits if you're in a trade by then. Same thing with CCI. This one tends to move a little quicker, so it's already up in some overbought territory. Williams just reached in there. So with the momentum it's got going forward, I'd just be keeping an eye on it, knowing that these are already up there. Scroll down a little bit further, we look at tricks. Got a nice bullish crossover right here. This is a very slow moving indicator, so it's not surprising that it's lagged a little bit behind these other ones, but that's a very nice move. A little bit further down, on balance volume, accumulation distribution, and Chaikin oscillator. We see when the price fell, naturally these indicators did too, indicating the shares are redistributed. Now that you can see where it's strongly crossed over their 20 moving averages, and that's a very strong move. Same sort of thing with the Chaikin money flow. We see here where there was where it's red and it's moving forward, and now we have a nice green bar, which is a very bullish move. So moving back up, let's take another look at our final indicator, that's RSI. We see the same sort of thing. It crossed out of oversold where it had been there for a while. Made a nice move over the 50 line into bullish territory. This is the kind of thing I like to see where it's just crossed over the 50, but it's not too far upward. So back to our candlesticks, let's try to find some support and resistance. If we look at some historical values, back in May we had support here, which may turn into some resistance ahead. Same sort of thing here with this little drop. Of course, the volumes here are drastically different than what we saw here, so you can't depend on it too much, in my opinion. However, in the same area here, around $2 and $2.20, we also have our 50-day moving average. I would expect that to possibly be some resistance. So once it got up into this area, if I were in a trade, I would consider taking a little bit off the table. And up above it, in the $2.50 range, we also have the 200-day moving average. So that's another point of resistance I'd consider. So with that being said, I just want to keep an eye on this. With tomorrow being Friday, a lot of day traders are probably going to be wanting to take profits, so I wouldn't be surprised if it pulled back a little bit, but I would definitely be watching this into next week. So with that being said, of course, this is my opinion only, and trade smart.